see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to try to come down there.
It is Thursday the 17th of April. Firehouse Coffee has been closed for 2.5 weeks. I'm coming here because it's now open again. I'm going to come and get my cup of coffee. I'm going to have some verbal discourse with the two owners of Firehouse Coffee, missing human contact. The lockdown is causing a little bit of loneliness. Not being able to talk to people is a bit of an issue. Hello. I'm doing. How you doing? It's been a long time.
Yes, it has. Doing well.
Get all this out of your way. How are you, sir?
I've been keeping up with you on Facebook and all the other
Drop your
different...
glasses. What's next?
My testicles. They might drop.
So,
I wasn't using them.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to try to come down there tomorrow. That way, when she's here, I can ride it like that.
Sounds like a plan.
that would be 6:02.
See you, Donna.
Ride safely.
I will.
I'll be here tomorrow too.
Yeah, so will I. I got somewhere to come again. So that was nice. I got to talk to the two owners and the employees of Firehouse Coffee and some of the customers. As I said, I have been missing the talking to other people. Generally, I don't mind social distancing and staying home, but it's after 2 or 3 days of not having actually seen or spoken to anybody, it becomes a bit of a problem. But this has just been solved by the reopening of Firehouse Coffee. This is me exiting Fort Monroe. I have a choice here, either right or straight ahead, and I'm going to go straight ahead across the bridge here, past where the fishing boats tie up. Well, this route takes me through the centre of the little village. As I turn this corner, I see the two people walking towards me are YouTubers as well, motorholics. Look above, you'll see their handle there. They have over 1,000 subscriptions, so it might be worth looking at.